What's up YouTube, Alien Rides here, and today we've got one of the weirdest scooters that we've ever seen, the Splach Transformer. Now sadly, it doesn't turn into a space robot, but it is easily customizable with different shell colors, different stem heights, different tires, and a luggage rack. We don't have any of that because this is a prototype, but I can't wait to check it out. Subscribe and let's ride.
Splach is known for making various kinds of PEVs, including scooters, bikes, and now the Transformer. There's really only one comfortable way to ride it, with your feet on either side of it, but it is versatile enough to stand or pose however you'd like. Splach decided to use a well-tested control setup with a thumb throttle and 3-button LCD display. To turn it on, there is a separate switch on the right side here, and then you hold the M button for a few seconds. Tapping the plus or minus button changes the speed mode, while holding the plus button down toggles the built-in headlight. On the back, there is also a brake light. Both lights follow German safety standards, one of the few safety guidelines for PEVs. The mechanical brakes on either side are solid and more than adequate enough for stopping the Transformer. Due to regional restrictions, the Transformer is limited in speed out of the box. To unlock it, hold M and plus while pressing minus 10 times. Then enter the passcode of 1368 to access the hidden P setting. With one more button press and a restart, a new aggressive speed mode is unlocked. With the secret speed mode unlocked, it reaches 20 miles per hour. Underneath the colorful shell, the Transformer packs a 48-volt, 10.2 amp hour battery with 20 to 25 miles of range.
So one feature about the Transformer that might be useful for some people is that you can remove the battery. So to do that, you simply pull up on this piece, reach into here, pull up on this latch, this guy right here, and then you can pry out the battery, and then you can take your battery into a cafe, your house, wherever you want to, and charge it up outside of the scooter.
This battery powers a 960-watt motor that climbs 28% grade hills with ease and wheelies like a dream. Now, let's see how the Splach Transformer does on our hill climb test.
We are at Alabama Street, our classic hill climb test with 4 different sections. Let's see if this scooter can make it to the top. All right, here we go. So this hill has a couple different sections to it. We're at the first one. So far, no dual motor scooter, no single motor scooter has made it all the way to the top. Only the dual motor scooters can. I think we'll probably get to about the 3rd section, but so far we're pulling pretty good. About 13 miles per hour now. Let's see if we can make it all the way up. Slowing down to about 10 miles per hour, but going strong. Some construction here. Yep, we're gonna keep going all the way to the top. This last part's really steep, but the Splach seems like it's got power, so let's see if we make it up. Just doing those sections alone gives me some pretty good confidence in this scooter. Should have plenty of power for your city. But this part is really steep, probably about a 28% grade or so. And we're slowing down to 4 miles an hour, but the Splach doesn't want to give up. It's got heart. It wants to keep going. Usually I would fall off with lower power scooters here, but we're doing pretty good. would not recommend doing this with your own scooter because low power like this uses a ton of juice and really overheats the controller, but we're doing good. We made it up the hill. Wow, not bad. Let's make it all the way to the top. Doing it. I think we're gonna make it to the top of the hill. That is pretty impressive. We did it. So I didn't think that we were gonna make it up that hill, but the Splach had heart. It just didn't want to give up, and most single motor scooters would definitely give up there on that last section, but this thing made it all the way to the top, so I'm really impressed. Now we're gonna put it to the test and try the hardest hill around here, Ripley Street. All right, here we go, Ripley Street. Let's see if we make it to the top. Crazy steep hill, got a little head start this time. Go, 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 go. Well, not gonna make it to the top. I'm gonna stop about there. Not bad though. Probably has plenty of juice for your city, but Ripley Street is crazy steep. So that's all we got for this episode on the Splach Transformer. If you wanna see more, you can check it out on Indiegogo using the link in the video description below. If you like this episode, consider subscribing and liking this video so we can keep making more of these. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you all next time. Ready? Shut up, bird.